It's midnight and it's my birthday. It's my birthday morning and I just woke up. I'm gonna prepare lunch now because I plan on eating it while on video call with my parents. So I'm gonna take you with me, even though I'm not sure what I'll eat. Maybe some vegetables or something. This is my quick birthday lunch. I have some eggs, peppers and carrots, and on this side some fish fingers and tzatziki. Look how sweet my family is. Wait. I'm gonna take this out. They ordered me flowers. Look how pretty these are. I mean, they're kind of dead because I didn't put them in water, but I will now. Balloon and a teddy bear. And there's a note here. I'm gonna put these in the water, then I'm gonna show you the note. I don't have a vase, so this will have to do. Okay, the flowers are in the water. I do feel bad because I didn't put them in water straight away, but I think they're gonna be okay. It's so funny because they didn't write this one because they couldn't really send balloon and and flowers across the Europe. So they paid someone to deliver this for me, and someone also wrote the note. But the note is written in Croatian, so I can see like some mistakes in writing because this is like different language. Ah, this is so cute. Even my dog wishes me a happy birthday. And I also received a note from my roommate, so thanks Ash, you're really nice. I also ordered something for myself because I decided to treat myself for the birthday, but I kinda overdid it and now I'm broke, but I'm really excited to unbox it, so I'm gonna show you now what I got. I've ordered myself some things from Apple. I'm so excited! So basically I got myself an iPad Pro, an Apple Pencil and some AirPods Pro. I've never had any Apple product, so this is exciting. And for the accessories, I got the case. I got it in plain black until I find the better one. So this is, I mean, it's pretty basic. It's nothing special, but this is how it's looking like. And I also got the 7-in-1 USB-C hub. And I also ordered a paper-like screen protector, but that's not arriving in the next few days. I'm going for a walk now, so I'm not in my room all day on a birthday. But this is my fit. I don't even know how to dress in this sweater because some people are wearing short sleeve shirts, like t-shirts, and some people are wearing thick jackets. And I'm like, how are you supposed to dress in this sweater in England? I came back and I bought like two little things, a frame and a ball that you put in a dryer so it doesn't tingle. I don't know what's the name of it. But now I'm gonna eat my croissant and I'm on my new iPad. So exciting. But after this I'm gonna edit my video on laptop. So that's the plan.